Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is rejoice evermore. What's up fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. And in this video, we're going to do an install on this wig that I got from Amazon. So stay tuned. This is from Kalyiss hair. It's 100% premium synthetic hair and I absolutely love it. So I just wanted to do a review on this wig. It comes with eyelashes, which I absolutely love. And then it also comes with wig caps. So that's a plus. Gotta get that hair right. Yes. Look at this. I can't wait. So right here, this was amazing because it came with just like a 2x2 lace closure. So I thought that was absolutely amazing. You ain't got to do a lot to glue this thing down. So for the sake of this video, I didn't glue it down, but I did put it on and show you that you don't have to glue it down. It also comes with 2 straps in the back. So I'm just demonstrating right here what you're gonna do. You slide it through the loop and you slide the other one through the loop. You know, whether it's big head friendly or small head friendly. I just do it according to my liking, which is all the way at the end. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. As always fam, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Your girl is trying to do things, okay? We trying to do big things. But yes, I absolutely love this wig. I'm gonna leave the links down below in the description box. So you ladies out there, if you want to get this wig, this is a quick, easy install. Like what? Easy breezy, lemon squeezy, baby. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of this install. And yes, darling, look at this wig. I'm saying this wig is fire, baby. Like it came out so good. Kalyiss hair, this is amazing. Like yes, go ahead, do the thing. So yes, I want to say this is definitely a plus. Go ahead and pick yourself up one of these wigs because I did and I absolutely love it. Like, oh man, this is really, really good. And I'll see you guys in another review. Take care for now.